Oh. Wow.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning
And
for
nothing happened on my
southeast of
phone.
Ross
Great.
County until 9 p.m. At 6 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 2 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Londonderry and Richmond Dale. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your
Put a
life.
video on there and this happens.
Turn around. Don't drown when
Great job.
encountering flooded roads. Most
Very
flood
great
deaths
job.
occur in vehicles. Keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.